Cool, look at that. That is a roast dinner. Well, technically, this was actually yesterday's, and it's actually 12:30, but I'm going to post it later, and I'm eating this before the kids come home, because they had theirs yesterday. Mum, come and say hello to people. She's feeling sorry for herself. She's had a tooth out. Tomato soup, all in one. Oh, cup, yeah, pour me. Anyway, that was Mum. She's had a tooth out, as you could you've seen in the video. Anyway, this is oh no.
Go on, scoff it, scoff bag.
Okay, she's having Mum's having soup. Okay. We had this yesterday. We had this yesterday, and there's some left over, so I don't know what the kids are going to have later.
We'll do something. We got gammon and mash tomorrow with peas. That'd be nice. But
Yeah.
we're having mussels, Janine.
Oh yeah, Mum brought me some mussels.
And tiger bread.
But waste not, want not. We just eat this later. There's only what's there left over? Mashed potato in that. I didn't have mashed potato any like that. So
And
left
some
that there.
chicken. I can make a chicken sandwich.
No,
For me.
this chicken carcass has got nothing left on it.
It has.
And Mum's literally like, no, I can get more meat out of that. Oh god, parsnip. Look at it.
Look! Chicken sandwich!
What? How?
Chicken sandwich! Oh,
No, flip it over.
Look! Lovely!
There's nothing
Chicken
left on
sandwich.
it. Oh, it's just shit itself. That was.
Big plump!
That's hot. Have you eaten today? If you haven't, eat something. Something's better than nothing.
I'm glad you're enjoying it, Ginny.
Cauliflower cheese. This is good. Yours is good. You got soup.
Yeah, tomato soup.
Somebody wants me to try tomato soup with cheese in it.
I haven't tasted that.
You're right.
I've done it with cream, that's nice.
Apparently it's nice. I'm going to do it. This is good. Anyway, that's what I've had. So, no,
Sadly, no Yorkshire puddings.
no, we didn't have any yesterday. My
No,
brother
we
came.
didn't. And no stuffing.
And nobody had any parsnips.
No, only Janine.
Did you not have one?
No, I don't like them that much.
No.
No.
Well, for me.
Oh, but I love tomato soup.
Feeling sorry for yourself over there. Anyway, have a good evening.